everyone, my name is Hai. Today I want to tell you about wild cats. There are wild cats around the world. Cats live in cold places and in hot places. Cats live on the ground and in the tree. The snow leopard is a big cat. It lives in snowy mountains. It has thick fur to stay warm. The magpie lives in rainforest. It can climb very ground, and it lives in the tree. The Blackfoot is a little cat. It lives in hot places. It can't climb ground. It lives in the holes in the world. The story is the end. Goodbye.